up, y'all? So you guys remember in last video how I said that I was doing my product shots for my shirts and stuff like that, and I said Randy got bad footage? Well, the man with the plane with the nice camera skills named Low Inertia filmed like a little product shot thing for me, and he also filmed like a little car thing of my car and Mai's car and then his car and a little bit of Randy's hat. So check out this clip and tell me what you guys think. If you like what you see, all his vlogs slash videos are like that, and I think it's the dopest thing ever. Like, he's one of the most talented videographer dudes that I know right now, killing it. He just needs some exposure. So link down below to his channel. Check that out and let me know what you guys think. Figure out what happened last night with my car, because if you don't know, which I'm pretty sure none of you guys know, last night I went to go watch Black Panther again, and on my way home, I hit my brakes because some guy was trying to race me, and then he brake checked me. I don't know, dude I hate where I live, bro, I really do. But as I stumped on the brakes, my steering wheel went crooked and I heard a knocking noise from like my passenger side of the car wheel area. So we gotta figure that out today. But if we get that fixed right away, I should have enough time to install the new master and slave clutch cylinder jig and heat. But if my car allows me, I should also be installing my JB Tune clutch line as well, so I can clean up the bed just a little bit until I take it down to Mr. Hunt Street Garage. We can do my brake tuck and tuck and paint tuck and all that other tuck. But with nothing me yapping and stuff like that, let's go try and diagnose and fix my whip. So alright, so now it's time to tackle today's objective of fixing my whip. But got some sad news. I left my tripod piece at Randy's house, so that's like half the video right there, because most of it's gonna be on a tripod, so I have to make it do with what I got, you know what I'm saying? So let's get to this, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, so we take a little peek in. I don't see anything that'd be crazy like. I mean, nothing seems out of the ordinary in here. I don't know what the hell happened. Tie rod still looks good. My axle is probably gone because I saw the axle grease on the transmission. I have no idea what happened. No idea. Wait, am I? Nah, control arm's still good. I have no idea. I think I figured out the problem. I think one of my bolts was a little loose, like it was like backed out a little bit, so I tightened it up. It was on my lower control arm. We're gonna head over to Chris's shop because the homie Keem's there and I want to show y'all his car, and yo, this thing is sick. So we're gonna head over there. Hopefully I fix my problem. Hopefully when I start driving, my steering wheel will go back to normal. I don't know, so let's find out if I fixed it or not. I think that bolt was my problem because now the car drives different from yesterday on my way home after the incident happened. So woo, we fixed that, boy. Like I said in the previous clip, right now I'm heading to Chris's shop because the homie Keem there. Got to get his car on the channel somehow, some way. He's in my area, so we're gonna pay him a visit and show you guys his clean ass EG hatch with a K-swap in it. Thing is done beautiful. What's up, B? Chillin'. My man. Ooh, Keem. Ooh, that boy Keem is clean. See, those are reps. Those right there, the Rotomasters, those are legit. Reps, boy. Man, Keem is clean. Chris, what's up, bro?
Just mopping.
Oh man, this thing is nice.
Still in the video. The Cambo Z?
The Cambo Z? What? This you? This you, B? Wow.
No, it's like everybody's still a drift slut now.
Where'd you guys find it?
Got it for a steal.
You got it for a steal. Yo, Chris, teach me how to drift, bro.
Let's take it right now.
For real?
Yeah, take it right now. Go for it, bro.
I just did a pull with Keem.
Once we park it, it's gonna be done for like a month or two.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. What a vlog this is turning into be. Wow. My first time going sliding.
Just to warn you, I'm very sloppy. And
I honestly wouldn't know what's good or what's sloppy when it comes to drifting.
I'm even worse in this car.
Well, they diff or?
Factory diff.
Oh, factory diff. How'd you guys get it? Would you find Craigslist or something?
He knows a guy.
Oh, he knew a guy? He knew a guy who knew a guy who had this. Yo, what? Yo, that was sick. Oh, man. Oh, man. That wasn't that bad, Chris.
Nah, I'm still sloppy as fuck.
Holy shit!
I crushed the shit out of your hand, didn't I?
Yo! What? Yo! Drift is so damn cool. I see why it's so addicting.
Oh, that's fun.
Dude, what?
Basically a stock Z.
I was at this spot with Rainy a couple days ago. I said, this is a perfect like drift little spot right here. One little donut spot. Oh my God. What a vlog this is turning out. Holy hell. Oh my God.
I think that's actually a cop there. Yep.
He's coming?
I don't know. Left lane.
Oh, that is a cop. Yeah, that is a cop. I don't, he's not like speeding or anything crazy. Oh yeah, he is. He's coming. He's coming. I think he's coming. Oh nah, he would have been trying to like pull us over or something. Yeah, he's not paying us no
It is so good I wasn't doing those donuts there.
For real. Chris is the man.
Fuck out of here.
Yo, 350s, these are cool as shit.
It's walking a lot though.
Yo! Oh my God! Yo! What a day! What a day! Oh my God! That's not bad at all, Chris. You was handling that shit, yo. Appreciate it, bro. Your car's damn, man. This thing is sick. You just gotta get a tune now. That's it.
Yeah, tune Thursday.
Oh my God! Well, this. If I had a K series, bro, it had to be like this. And it's what, 2420 or straight 20? A2 or Z1?
Z3.
Oh, Z3. Ooh. So this one got the LSD trans and everything.
No, this is a Z1 transmission.
Oh, Z1 trans.
I don't have
okay.
the SI training, but the SI training does have a different.
This thing is clean. So last time I was like Chris shop, this was like all smashed up, bented in, but now it's all done. Boy, good boy. That boy is clean. So damn clean. I don't know what's about to go down. This is wild, bro. That boy V finna drip it. it, bro. Chris gave me the keys to the wabi sabi. Let's do some stuff.
I'm gonna rock a lot. It's gonna be shake cam. If you shift it like right as you hit red line, it'll backfire and pop. Sounds cool.
What's your red line? Oh,
64?
Oh, that's like what mine is.
Yeah, just spike it. It'll be alright. I rock way too much, and then my weight's on this axle that scrapes. So let me go up here a little bit.
Oh shit. Let's get this another Ripperino.
Smell out of my tire exhaust.
Damn. Yo. It's way better than my brother's car. Now, this is actually a proper done spank beat.
It's stock.
Exactly.
Yeah, and
But
it pulled his pretty bad. I don't know how.
Yeah, his is horrible. This was fun. What a day. I got so much good vlog footage. That was super fun. What a great day hanging out with the bros. Right now I'm gonna head over to Home Depot, pick up a electric leaf blower. If you didn't notice, your boy do got his boost gauge and his AFR gauge working right. Thanks to my man Mark for teaching me where to wire stuff so I don't have to wire it into my radio harness anymore, so. Yeah! If I ever had the opportunity to teach you guys something, don't trust anyone who wears black shoes with white socks. Or maybe it's white socks with black shoes. Just don't trust them. They up to no good. Super facts! So this is what I'm picking up, Ryobi little leaf blower. It's only 35 bucks, bro, look at it. Clean! Now when I drop my car, I don't have to use my little Shan Wowie. I can just blow off the freaking water. So ain't nothing wrong with that, you know what I'm saying? Now I know what you guys are thinking. Zosh, you just being lazy. No. I'm working smarter, not harder. Yeah. Me and Randy decided to stop by at this little in-town little fair county carnival type thing. We came for food, really, because it's like an Italian festival. Yeah, you smell it, bro. They gotta have some wings here, bro. I got like 6 cash and all on my card.
I never have cash.
Wow, you that much of a baller? All right, let's get lucky. Damn it! See, I never win, bro. I never win. Ever win. Go ahead. Yeah, here, got it. Let's see if you get lucky. Yo, if you get lucky, I'm gonna be mad. Yes! 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 The food smells good. Well, we're getting out of here because, well, you gotta have cash at these things. And we got a card, and then some lady stopped me and was like, yo, would you like to donate? And then I said, yeah, why not? I made Randy donate too. It's $5, go to a good cause for disabled children. The funds go towards like a new van for them. So I was like,
in the morning, check her bank account. That shit's all
we got finesse, boy. She probably took like $100 deposit. Sign here, please. She said $4. Good thing I paid with PayPal, boy. I got protection services. Yo! What's up, y'all? Just not getting back home from hanging out with the homie, Randy. Yo, Randy got a girl, yo. I can't believe it. Randy has a good. Wow. Wow. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of him, dog. They grow up so fast. They grow up so fast. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. If you thought this video was dope in any shape, way, flip, subscribe, smack that like button for you, boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I went street drifting for the first time. I drove Chris's car, hung out with the homie Keem. Like, today was an actual really, really good day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.